How to open Safari downloads on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. On the Browse page, you will see locations like iCloud Drive and On My iPhone. By default, Safari saves downloads to a folder in your iCloud Drive. Tap on it as shown. Inside, you will find a folder named Downloads. Go ahead and open it. You can now view and open all of your recently downloaded files from Safari here. Alternatively, your downloads might be saved on the On My iPhone option. Tap on it. Here, you will also find a Downloads folder which you can check for your files. The exact location depends on your download settings within the Safari app. Following these steps, you can easily open Safari downloads on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.